Hi! Today I'm making ham and cheese filled cachitos, and yes, I am on my floor, and yes, I recently vacuumed. I'm not gonna list off the ingredients, but I'm sure everyone can read. I did add some pretty cool special effects to the words though, like flour. And then once the activated yeast is added, you can start using your hands to knead it, which is my favorite part. And then you can start turning it into a little ball, like that. And I put mine under my bed to rise because that's where it is warmest. After it rises, you can take it out and start rolling it out. Here I'm using a glass cup. I do not have a rolling pin. And once it's about like a 1/16 of an inch thick, you can start cutting them into triangles, or you can do rectangles, but they may not turn out looking like croissants. Then I add my ham, which isn't real ham, but I'm sure the cheese is real. I got them both from the dining hall. And then you see one of my friends walk in and steal my cheese. Once they're all rolled up and start resembling croissants, you can cover them and let them rise. Then you do your egg wash. You could also use melted butter too. I feel like that tastes pretty good. And then after that, you can throw them in the oven. It says 375 here, but I don't think my oven got that hot. But they still turned out nice and pretty. And then I forgot to turn my camera sideways.